Eigen, established in 2006 in Bangalore, India, is a distinguished leader in manufacturing and supplying bus bars for global companies in battery energy storage systems and electric mobility. Our bus bars are utilized in various applications, including converters, inverters, onboard chargers, and battery management systems. Eigen specializes in producing a wide range of bus bars, such as rigid, flexible, welded, and insulated, using diverse materials. Our capabilities include wide range of stamping, laser cutting, special welding techniques such as friction stir welding, diffusion, and ultrasonic welding, selective plating, electrical insulation, and many more. With advanced equipment and automation, we excel in producing complex designs and deliver increasing production volumes efficiently to global players. Eigen offers a comprehensive suite of services, from prototyping, design, and development to full-scale production, providing customers with optimized supply chain solutions. If you have any bus bar requirements, please contact us. Our experienced engineers are ready to collaborate on designing a cost-effective, tailored solution for your project.